I keep kind of hit my nose. Hey, YouTube!
Just kidding, Papa!
I don't think you're funny.
Anyway, kind of a interesting relationship we have. I'm making a mess. You just have to watch. It's amazing. Hey YouTube, I'm gonna do an unboxing and hopefully you will be able to see what I am doing because when you see what I'm getting, you'll know why I'm so excited about. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Here's the thing I'm doing. Dun, 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 dun. Could you see it? Anyway, hang on. And Hoku is not in here, so she's gonna have to be scared. Just a second. You know what? It would have been easier if I'd like
started opening before I started videoing, but then it would not be true unboxing, right? Because it would already been unboxed. Hang on. Dang, Amazon's getting tougher. Hang on, it's almost.
Okay. This is what I was waiting for. The ocean tripod. Yes! I won't be Ooh, I'm not even looking at you. I won't be standing and holding my phone because I got this little tiny tripod. It's okay for little tiny tripod things. Okay.
Hang on. Going back over here. I had to sit on the bed. Anyway, here it is. So I'm going to
Switch my view. Hang on just a second. So, I don't know why my flash is coming on. Anyway, here it is. Has a nice case, which is nice if you're gonna go out. Like I want to go out and take some nature one. Put my camera up. This is something I wanted to get. Why is my flash on? Hang on. Much better. No flash. Anyway, this is something that I wanted because I use my phone sometimes. I have my nice camera too, but I think this is the phone thing. I'm not sure.
come out. I know. It's stuck.
Okay. What I think is cool about this thingamajigger is, thank you so much for your order. You're welcome. It has a remote too, so I think it's up to 30 feet. So like if I want to get in the view, I can do with a remote. Which I don't know if I want to do that, but and then also the camera thing. So I'll set it up and then I'll show it to you guys. Show you guys something. Because when I was doing it, I was going, how the heck do you get it taller than that? Anyway, so if you do ever get this, these things open like that. And then you pull the stuff. Okay, just wanted to show you that. So I got it all set up, and it's cool. It's pretty tall. It's about 4 feet, maybe, or taller. This is where you can unscrew this part, and you can put your regular camera on there, or you can put your phone in here. I'm filming with my phone, so this moves all around, and then this part, I think it was this part, moves it so it can go this way. Doot, doot, doot. So it goes all over the place, which is really cool. And it has the bubble, so you can. Okay. Focus, focus. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and remember it's a eOcean tripod, and I got it on Amazon, where I get most of my stuff. Anyway, I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.